Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I showcase how to use Gizzmo to create high-quality content to promote Amazon products. Gizzmo is a powerful WordPress plugin with which you can create AI-generated affiliate content in minutes to generate affiliate income as an Amazon associate. First, let me give you a quick overview of the types of articles or blog posts that you can create with Gizzmo WordPress plugin. With the product review article, as the name suggests, you can create a review of a single product highlighting its features, pros and cons, and the overall performance. In the product roundup article, you can feature a selection of up to 10 products comparing their features, benefits, and drawbacks. In the product comparison article, you can compare two similar products side by side, providing your readers with valuable insights and help them make informed purchasing decisions. The listicle article is written in a list format, in which each listed item typically includes a few sentences or multiple paragraphs to educate and entertain your readers. And here are some examples of listicles. Finally, the special deals article allows you to showcase special deals that are running on Amazon for a limited time. I'll be creating step-by-step tutorials on how to create each of these types of content, but let me quickly walk you through the setup process. Setting up Gizzmo is fairly simple. Step 1, you install and activate the Gizzmo WordPress plugin. In step 2, you sign up for the Gizzmo account. And then in step 3, you add the Google Chrome extension, which allows you to add products to your Gizzmo account. Here is a live example of a product comparison article that I created comparing the Microsoft Surface 5 laptop with the Microsoft Copilot laptop. Now, I edited this article using Elementor, and you'll find the live link to my website in the description section. But as you can see, this looks pretty good. So apart from the free version, they also have few premium plans, as you can see here. You can save 20% if you get the yearly subscription. You can try Gizzmo for free. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this Gizzmo overview helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.